Hello everyone, I got some tough news to share today. Unfortunately, before the Maiden, Super Connie has been an accident, and it's completely my fault. The damage is pretty substantial, and I've barely been able to look at the plane since it happened. It's been about a week now, and I'm still processing everything. Before I get into details, I want to assure you I'm okay, I'm safe, but Super Connie, as you can see, not so much. Let me walk you through what happened. While I was adjusting some of the settings on the phone, my transmitter went into hibernation mode, and the engines were still armed and the failsafe wasn't fully set yet. I was actually actively trying to prevent the transmitter from going into hibernation, but it was like time was just frozen for a moment, and I ended up taking more time than I should have. Connie, ended up taking off from the small coffee table. The stoppers weren't enough to keep her grounded. They weren't meant for such kind of an impact, of course. I shut everything down quickly to prevent further damage, but it's clear this was a serious incident. I haven't done a full damage assessment yet, but cosmetic damage isn't my main concern since this is still a prototype. What I need to figure out is if there's any structural damage on plane's backbone. I'm still deciding whether the maiden flight will be possible with this prototype. This is first time in my 20 years of RC flying experience that something like this has happened. I'm not going to talk about safety for half an hour. You all know the rules. Safety is always number one priority, and it's crucial to follow every step and never skip any precautions. I'll keep you updated with the damage assessment and next steps. Thanks for your patience and support, and stay tuned for the next update. Thank you.